Stop scrolling, because the next 8 minutes are not about learning English. They're about rewiring how you speak it. Most people understand English, but when it's time to speak, their mind freezes, their words disappear, and confidence drops. What if that could change today? In the next 8 minutes, you won't memorize rules. You won't study grammar. Instead, you'll train your mouth to speak 30 real English sentences that native speakers use every single day. By the end of this video, these sentences won't feel practiced, they'll feel natural, as if they've always been part of you. I'm Reacher, and today I'm inviting you into my real daily routine, from morning to work, using simple, natural English that people actually speak. But listen carefully. You're not here to watch this video. You're here to participate, because this isn't a lesson, it's a speaking workout. The method we're using is called shadowing. That means you won't just hear English, you'll speak it with me in real time. This is one of the fastest and most natural ways to build spoken English, because your brain learns by copying sound, rhythm, and flow, not by translating rules. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, listen to my sentence. Then, repeat it immediately, just like an echo. Match my speed, follow my rhythm, copy my tone. Don't stop for grammar. Don't overthink mistakes. Let your mouth learn English the same way music learns rhythm, through repetition. Today is part 1 of my complete daily routine. These are 30 sentences I truly use every day, not textbook English, not robotic lines. And after you shadow them with me, you'll feel them leaving your mouth smoothly, confidently, naturally. If you're new here and your goal is to speak English comfortably every day, hit subscribe now, because each part builds on the last. Can 8 minutes really change anything? Yes, if you practice the right way. And if you feel slow at the beginning, that's a good sign. It means your brain is learning something new. Progress doesn't come from perfection. It comes from showing up and repeating. Now, let's begin. We'll start with my morning routine. Remember, first listen, then speak with me. Take a breath, relax your mouth. Let's start shadowing. Sentence 1. I wake up at 7.
You'll notice something now. Your mouth is moving faster. Your hesitation is getting smaller. That's shadowing working. Every morning starts the same way for me. My alarm goes off loudly beside my bed. I stretch my body and let out a long yawn before standing up. The first thing I do is drink a full glass of cold water. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. Then I wash my face using warm water and soap. I take a moment to look at myself in the mirror. I comb my hair and make sure it looks tidy. I change into my comfortable clothes for the morning. Before leaving the room, I neatly make my bed. Nice work! Can you feel it now? Your sentences are starting to connect. Your English is beginning to flow instead of stop. Let's keep moving. I walk into the kitchen and switch on the coffee machine. For breakfast, I prepare scrambled eggs and toast. I eat my breakfast while checking the news on my phone. I drink fresh orange juice along with hot coffee. After eating, I wash the dishes in the sink. Next, I carefully decide what to wear for work. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black trousers. I quickly check the weather forecast on my phone. I pack my lunch in a small container. You're doing amazing. You're already halfway through part 1. If you're speaking with me right now, drop a heart in the comments. I want to see how many of you are actually practicing, not just listening. Let's finish strong. I leave my house exactly at 8:30. I walk to the bus stop near my building. I wait for the number 12 bus to arrive. While riding the bus, I listen to English podcasts. I reach my office at 9:15. I greet my coworkers with a warm smile. I check my emails and create a to-do list. Today, I attend 3 important meetings. During my lunch break, I eat in the company cafeteria. I work on my computer until 5 in the evening. Incredible work! You didn't just listen, you spoke, you trained, you showed up. You've just shadowed 30 real-life English sentences, and this is only the beginning.
You've just practiced real-life daily routine sentences, the kind of English people actually speak, not textbook English, not artificial lines. This is the English that slowly builds confidence from inside. And remember, this is only one half of my day. In the next episode, I'll walk you through my evening routine, how I speak after work, how English sounds at home, and how simple sentences are used naturally at night. But part 2 is more than just routines. I'm also going to reveal 5 small but powerful words, words that native speakers use without thinking, but most learners never practice. These words don't just improve English, they make your speech sound smooth, relaxed, and truly natural. Here's a tiny glimpse of what's coming, so don't miss it. Hit subscribe now, because part 2 is coming tomorrow, and it will take your English one step closer to real-life fluency. Before you leave, I want you to use English, not just hear it. Here's your challenge. Take this sentence. I leave my house at blank sharp. Fill in your own time. Write it in the comments. I want to see who is brave enough to practice, because real improvement starts when you speak. And don't stop here. Your English journey hasn't peaked. It has just begun. Keep shadowing, keep repeating, keep trusting the process, even on slow days. You're making progress, even if you can't feel it yet. I'll see you in part 2.